Okay, so this is my most recent project. Little parking meter. I have it running off of batteries, and I've written the code to try and preserve battery. And so when you get within range, it turns that light on. And so the way the code works is it's looking for 3 ranges, basically. 10 to 6 feet, and then 6 feet to 28 inches, and then 28 inches is where it stops. And so as the car gets closer, it blinks slowly, faster when you get within 6 feet, and then when you get to 3 feet, it stays solid for 8 seconds, and then it turns off for 30 minutes to preserve battery. And so what it does is it puts the Arduino in power saving mode to preserve battery for 30 minutes, and then it checks to see if the car is still there every 30 minutes. If it is, it turns back on. If it's not, then it just turns off for 30 more minutes. Alright, so I'll demonstrate right here in the car. I can prop this up. As we drive in, you'll see the light. It checks for a car incoming every 4 seconds. So what it does when there's not a car there is it will turn off, and then in 4 seconds it turns back on and checks to see if there's a car within 10 feet. And then if there's not a car, it turns off again for 4 more seconds. If there is a car, it starts blinking every half a second, I think I have it set at. And then when it sees the car, it keeps checking and checking. It's watching the car as you move in. So when we get within 6 feet, you'll see the light go faster. We're within 6 feet of the sensor, right? And then, as we move closer and closer, when we move within 3 feet, the light goes solid, and it'll be solid for 8 seconds, and then it turns off for 30 minutes to preserve battery. And then every 30 minutes it checks to see if the car is still there or if it's left the garage. So we get closer. Stop. Lights on solid. Now it's off for 30 minutes.